Introducing a charming and meticulously maintained 2-bedroom, 2-full-bath villa with an attached 2-car garage, presenting a like-new and move-in ready opportunity. Nestled on a tranquil cul-de-sac lot within the picturesque Kensington Down Villas, this extensively updated home offers cozy living spaces and a delightful screened-in 8x10 back porch, ideal for hosting gatherings with loved ones. Step into the kitchen where all new stainless steel appliances await, alongside ample natural wood cabinetry, catering to your culinary and storage needs. The main floor laundry room features generous storage cabinets and includes a washer and dryer for added convenience. This single-story villa boasts a plethora of recent updates, including Renewal by Andersen Windows, a new roof, furnace and AC, water heater, and an upgraded electrical service panel. Outside, the meticulously maintained landscaping beds offer a haven for green thumbs. Conveniently located in the northeast area, just minutes away from schools, churches, hospitals, and the vibrant Georgetown Square, this friendly New Haven neighborhood beckons you to embrace carefree living at its finest. Call Laura Brune for all the details.